Have you ever wondered why some men chase women but still struggle, while others succeed effortlessly? It's not just about status, fame, or money, as many believe. The real reason lies in subtle, effective behaviors that lead to success in relationships. Understanding and adopting these behaviors can transform your interactions, helping you form genuine connections and attract more interest from the opposite sex. In this video, we'll explore key Stoic ideas to help you approach relationships with wisdom, self-respect, and dignity. We'll also discuss powerful ways to become more attractive, which can enhance not just romantic relationships, but also help you get along better with everyone and live a more fulfilling life. If you struggle with putting too much emotion into relationships or just want to connect better with people, this content is for you. We'll debunk common myths and offer good advice on interpersonal relationships. If you want to change how you connect with others and yourself, keep watching. These insights can be game-changing. Share, like, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot and costs you nothing. Let's start by embracing inner strength on the journey of personal growth, especially from a Stoic perspective. There is a big difference between being truly good and just being harmless. Stoicism encourages us not to be passive, but to build our inner strength and resilience. Society often tells you to tame your competitive instincts and not be too assertive, suggesting that being non-threatening is best. However, true personal empowerment isn't about aggression, but about potential and control. Think of a lion. It commands respect not through aggression, but through calmness. Similarly, walking and talking with confidence makes you more attractive to potential partners and in all your relationships. Stoicism doesn't teach you to hide your darker sides, but to accept and manage them. Someone who can't show strength when needed will likely fail when facing real-world problems. Balance strength with not being overbearing, capable, but not reckless, powerful, yet calm. Improve your self-control and respect for others and yourself. Invest in personal excellence, learn new skills, and create a life that attracts people naturally. This not only helps you grow, but also makes you genuinely compelling to others. From a Stoic perspective, attraction involves not chasing others. Pursuits often indicate a misalignment of values and actions. Instead, focus on personal growth and goals. Take up new hobbies, improve your health, and invest in your career. This enhances self-worth and makes you more interesting to others. Imagine someone who spends their time learning new languages or creating art. They're admired and sought after because they're not chasers, but achievers. A life full of personal achievements and happiness creates a magnetic aura that draws others in. The best way to attract good relationships is to become someone worthy of being pursued. Live a life others want to be part of, not because you need them, but because you have so much to offer. True attraction is about drawing people in with your completeness, not chasing them for validation. Respected people, or alphas, are those who create their own happiness. This deep understanding that happiness comes from within, not from external validation, is central to Stoicism. Dependency on others for happiness gives them undue control over your emotions. Instead, find joy in daily activities and personal growth. Someone who cultivates a garden or writes daily finds fulfillment in these activities, independent of others' approval. This self-sourced happiness makes you more attractive to others. Being self-aware and honest in interactions builds trust and credibility, making you more attractive. Relationships need time to grow and shouldn't be rushed. Work on personal excellence, let your actions speak, and people will naturally be drawn to you. Compliments, when used wisely and in moderation, can be very effective. Focus on deeper, personal attributes rather than superficial traits. Genuine compliments integrated naturally into conversations show you're paying attention and value the person as a whole. Many men struggle with self-respect and finding their purpose, often falling into cycles of inaction and regret. Stoicism emphasizes following your values and being strong enough to face the world. Act out of personal growth, not desperation. Achieve goals and self-worth will rise, making you more appealing to others. Women are drawn to men who are strong, independent, and aligned with their values. Understanding the psychology of attraction involves honesty and patience. Building trust through genuine interactions and allowing relationships to grow naturally is key. Don't rush or force connections. Let your actions reflect personal excellence. Mindfulness and self-awareness are crucial. Don't blindly follow generic advice. Reflect on what works for you. Knowing yourself and staying true to your values leads to more meaningful relationships and personal fulfillment. Accepting that there are many potential partners out there can free you from needless despair. Focus on building a sense of worth from within, not from who you're with. Recognize the many possible connections and lower the pressure on yourself and others. As we conclude, remember that personal excellence and self-awareness enhance both your personal and relational life. Keep striving to be better than you were yesterday. Use clear thinking and wisdom to guide your decisions. Real progress comes from honest work and understanding, not quick fixes. Build depth and strength in your character to handle life's challenges with grace and purpose. If you found this video interesting, check out the recommended videos on your screen and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and remember that the path to personal excellence never ends. See you soon.